This is a very pretty stitch. It's an open chevron stitch. See, it's like a lace. So very pretty. I'm making a scarf here. And this stitch is a multiple of 10 plus 1. And so use the needles that the yarn calls for. And you do need 2 base rows. So see, here I'm using number 4 worsted yarn, and I'm using size 8 knitting needles, US 8, which is a 5mm. So first row is knit, the next row is purl, and these will be your base rows. So row of the stitch, row number 1 goes like this. You knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, slide, slide, put your needle in front and knit them together through the back and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1 repetition. Put a separator in between every 10 stitches, so like that you know where you're at. If you make a mistake, you know that you need to have 10 stitches in each section of the repetition. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's do that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, knit 3. So there are my 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then the last one you knit. Now all the even number rows you purl the whole row. So I'll see you when I finish this. Number 2 row. Row number 3. You are going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Knit these 2 stitches together. Yarn over. Knit 1. Yarn over. Slide, slide, and knit through the back of those 2, and knit 2. So let's repeat that. You're going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit these 2 stitches together. Yarn over. Knit 1. Yarn over, slide, slide, and knit those 2 through the back, and then knit 2. And there's my 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then the last one I knit. So row number 4, purl the whole row. Row number 5, knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front and knit them through the back together and knit 1. So the next stitch, so see you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So again, we're going to knit 2, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit them through the back, and knit 1. And then I have my 10 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the last one you knit. Next row, which is number 6, you purl the whole row. Row number 7, knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, slide, slide, put your needle in front and knit them together through the back. So I have 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's do that again. We're going to knit 1, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit them through the back. And I have 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The last one I knit. So row number 8, you purl the whole row. Row number 9. And this is going to be very interesting because it's a little bit different. See, we're going to do the center stitch. So we're going to be taking off our markers because we need to have those 3 stitches there. So row number 9 is knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me take this off, return my stitch. Now this stitch I'm going to pass to my right hand needle knitwise, and then I am going to knit the next 2 stitches together, and the one that I passed is going to go over that last one. So these stitches here are going to be at the beginning of your work. The repetition starts here when you do that funny thing there. So you do the slide 1, knit 2 stitches together and pass that over, and then yarn over, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yarn over. So now we have the repetition on this side. It ends with the yarn over, and the last 2 stitches you slip, slip, put your left hand needle in the front and knit them together through the back. That's why you needed the extra stitch for your piece. So the row number 10, you purl. So this is it. It looks very pretty. It is very easy. And let me show you how it looks on here. See? So it's a very nice for a scarf or for a shawl, or even for a vest. This will look very pretty on a vest. like on a summer vest. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and see you next time.